model, 67 Ford Transit Connect 240 Limited automatic needs clutch repair Euro 6 no VAT. Body, blue, panel van. Mileage, 114413. MOT, the 20th of November 2025. Engine, 1499 cc 1.5 TDCI 120 PSS 6C. Transmission, automatic. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Unfortunately, it has no drive. We are pretty certain that the dry clutch has failed. You can hear it rattling around inside the gearbox bell housing, very common problem. The gearbox should be good and just need a simple clutch replacement job. Thinking face grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked